Next is law. Before we move forward to the cases, let me share about contract. What is contract? Contract is a illegally enforceable agreement between two or more parties. There are a few elements of contract. First is proposal, second acceptance, third consideration, intention to create a legal relations, capacity, certainty, and free consent. For this case, we go for free consent. What is free consent? Free consent is an agreement when both parties knowingly and willingly enter into a contract of their own will. Consent is said to be free when it is not caused by such as under influence, fraud, misrepresentation, mistake, and caution. In this case, a caution is the reason that the contract is not free consent. What is caution? Caution is a committing or treating to commit any act forbidden by the penal code or the unlaw detaining or threatening to detain any property to the prejudice of any individual with the goal of forcing someone to sign a contract. The law is Section 15 Contract Act 1915. In caution, there are a few of element of caution. First is pressure in contracting. One of the party, the stronger party in procuring the making of a contract, bring illegitimate pressure to bear on the other party, the victim. In this case, the bully or make pressure in contracting to Alan to sign the contract. Next is illegitimate pressure. If pressure involves making illegal trade or amount to unethical behavior, it will not be considered justified. In this case, bully are making illegal trade to the alien to sign the contract. Last type of caution. The caution is to the person. In this case, alien are the person that is cautioned.
For the application of this case, Alan can argue that he was threatened to enter the contract against his will because of bully's threat. Bully's threat created the situation of coercion, which made Alan sell his car out of fear for his family's safety. Since Alan's decision to sell his car is not based on his free will, the contract between them is likely to be voidable. The same situation can be seen in the case of Barton versus Armstrong 1976. The case took place when a managing director was threatened by the former chairman of the company, saying that if the director refused to buy his share, he will be murdered. The private counsel ruled that the managing director was entitled to relief if the threats were a factor in his execution of the deed, even if he very well may have signed the contract if the chairman had not met any threat to coerce him.
I want to buy a car and you have to sell it. Why? Yes, it was an edition car and it hasn't Malaysia yet and I want it. I want only one car. I don't care. I don't want the same thing. I want the car. No. What I want and you're gonna get it. No, I think no. No. Do you know who I am? I don't know you. I'm gonna read it. Yes. So what stage? Alright. One. Then. Oh, I don't want to sell it. What? Oh my god, who is this? It's my son. Where did you get that? If you don't want to sell your car and the little cute dog went down. No, I'm saying that no. If I say yes, and my deal was just meet your God. My god, who we have here? It's my son. Oh really? So cute. If you don't sell your car, where did you get that? Okay, you can get it.